You smell incredible.
I'm very happy. Impulse Coffees is finally launching sachets.
Not having alcohol at a party.
लाइफ चेंजिंग है ये.
Congratulations and celebrations.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog, another episode of Hustle with Sar. Today is the 4-year brandversary party of Impulse Coffees. Can you believe it? 4 साल से मैं ये ब्रांड चला रही हूँ. कल है एक्चुअली हमारी एनिवर्सरी. 3 दिसंबर को मैंने ब्रांड लॉन्च किया था, आप लोग को बताया था एवरीथिंग. आज हम एक दिन पहले पार्टी रखे हैं. इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ कॉफी रेव पार्टी, बट इट्स इन कोलैबोरेशन with Plum Body Loving, and it's going to be so much fun. It's at Dough and Joe in Bandra. Let me take you there and show you everything that's happening. अनलोडिंग द गाड़ी में है कॉफी का सामान. शिकर खत्म हो गए. अच्छा लग रहा है क्या?
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा.
पक्का ना? मेरे को डर लग रहा है. ऊपर गाइस उधर हमारा इवेंट हो रहा है, डो एंड जो. दिस इज एट बैंड्रा हिल रोड. लुक्स सो गुड. अंदर अभी आई होप एवरीथिंग इज गुड. गाइस वी आर हियर. हेलो. हाय गाइस. कम आ जाओ.
You smell incredible.
Guys, enter with the coffee shop.
What do you think, Miss?
I'm very happy. I'm very happy. I need a coffee shop. There is happening outside also. We're here at Dough and Joe. This is the 4-year anniversary of Impulse. Chips is playing on the house, and we have plums out there. Your Impulse for you all. I'm gonna pass you all your menu cards. Please place order for your coffee. Have a great time. Lots of photo opportunity for you all outside. So when the sun's a little not so harsh, you can go out and take your pictures. I have trapped Reet over here. Jump.
Dance, go dance.
First thing was like, if you want to come to a message, like there is nothing. I am really glad to be because everything you make is set for us is white, and I award show us so much.
You're taking a picture, Reet. You take a picture. Reet, you are a fan of Reet, no? Yeah, there. See? Told you we have so much fan. You don't just believe us. So.
Hello everyone. Thank you so much for coming in today to the 4-year anniversary of Impulse Coffee. In collaboration with Plum Body Loving. I am so thrilled that all of you are like here. Honestly, 4 years of brewing coffee, experimenting with flavors, so many unique flavors for you all to try out. Every single coffee over here has been specially curated by my team and I, ensuring there's hot coffee, cold coffee, something for everyone's taste buds. And all of them sync so beautifully with all the fragrances and body care that we have at Plum Body Loving. You all know it's one of my favorite body care brands. I am going to be smelling like vanilla caramel and smoking vanilla all throughout. Somebody already complimented my perfume for the day, so I'm done for the day. I hope you all enjoy. There's so much for you all to do. There's a 360 booth outside where you can take your cool videos. There's a photo booth outside. I know the sun's a little harsh, but the pictures are going to be amazing because of that. So please step out. Please keep dancing. The Strips is playing tonight. Oh my god, I'm so privileged that she's playing here for us, and she's going to be playing, keeping you all entertained. Don't crowd over here. You can give your order and keep enjoying the party. Just want you all to have a good time, celebrate with us, and take lots of pictures, of course. And I'm around. Don't have to ask me, can we take a picture? Just take pictures, okay? So thank you so much. I really hope you have a good time. And I love you so much. video with everyone, and also I have like 2 special announcements. So whoever's out, please come in. First, the video I want to do. I don't know, you all will have to teach me. You know that the trend which is going on. I love. Huh? Okay, so I want to do that with all of you all in the back. So we have to sync and learn those steps. And for this very special announcement that I have today, for the first time, you all are the first ones to know that Impulse Coffees is finally launching sachets. Single serve sachets that we have been working so hard on. So I've got few of them right here is what you're going to take home with you. You're the first people who will be getting a hands with this. I'm so excited for this because again, like I said, it's as small as this is like a chota bomb, has troubled us quite a lot. So finally, every single flavor, even the ones that usually are out of stock, that is your kacham, is in the form of a sachet. Chocolate, raspberry, all your flavors. And Plum Body Lovin' has launched first of its kind solid perfumes. We love their perfumes, they're very long lasting. To make them even more longer lasting, we can now layer them with solid perfumes. I've got vanilla caramello right here, that's what I was applying when I was back with Chips on there. And we've also got it in Nawabi pistachio. Oh sorry, also pistachio. That's how confusing. Thank you so much for all the love you have given our brands always, and I'm really excited for you all to try all the new products. You're doing this reel with me.
What reel?
Come now.
What is it? I'm not saying yes without seeing it, but yeah. Why do I have to dance? Come on.
Thank you so much. Thank you for coming. Shania, yes, give me your phone. Hi Shania, thank you so much for watching my videos, crying with me, and for all the love that you've given Impulse. I hope you had a great day at college and at school. And I am so sorry that you're not here, but this will happen every year, and I will see when it is.
Beginning of me attending such events
Okay.
and not having alcohol at a party was a thumbs up for me.
Of course, yes,
I
yes.
love having coffee.
Yeah. Thank you. I'm so sorry I couldn't spend that much time with you, but I really hope you enjoy. Thank you. Thank you. Take care. Bye. I'm the founder of Impulse Coffees.
Hi, I'm Stuti Sethi. I lead the brand Plum Body Lovin'. Who is your Bap Baby?
Sachet.
Yes! Oh, yeah, I remember you tasted it. Oh, so you can like carry it when you're traveling.
Yes. Nice. Very cool. So this makes 1 cup. Right. Perfect. Very nice. And how many sachets will you get in a box?
In the bigger box, in the smaller box, that's the best seller.
Nice. Nice. And it's great for people to try these things.
Yeah.
Very nice.
You're getting good coffee wherever you go.
I'm so excited. I'm going to ask you to show it. All my flavors will now come in single serve sachets.
Oh, awesome!
We were
Now-
just discussing this when we met for the podcast.
Now you
Very
can
good.
travel with these sachets.
Yes.
Amazing, love it.
I'm so excited for this. I really wanted to on this
Yeah,
video.
right.
I literally just got it last night. कौन सा आपका favorite?
Coca. Okay, with choca. And Rati Rani espresso.
सब है. दूसरे सब
Actually,
चलो
Rati
पे.
Rani espresso.
It's my kind of coffee. Yeah, Bobo energy.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Very cool.
This is going to be in the hamper and everything, but I really wanted you all to see what
I'm keeping this.
done.
So cute! Oh, keep calm with kacham. Oh, this is the iced teas or
No
coffee.
coffees.
Oh my god, finally! हमारी ट्रिप शॉर्ट हो जाएंगे. अभी हमें वो बड़ा जार नहीं लेके जाना पड़ेगा. Oh my God. You just told. तूने कुछ तो वीडियो बनाया था ना that you guys are doing sachets, they be not doing. क्या सीन है? Oh wow, so cool. So cool. ये पागल हो रही होती है हमारे ट्रिप्स के टाइम पे कि तू वो जार लेके आना, हमको उस कपड़े के अंदर डालना पड़ता है कि वो टूट ना जाए. बबल रैप करते हैं हम लोग और कितने बार तो मैं भी बॉटल्स भूल जाती हूँ बिकॉज उसको मैं जाके मेरे एयरबीएनबी के शेल्फ में रख देती हूँ. सो आई थिंक दिस इज गोइंग टू बी लाइफ चेंजिंग है ये.
It's literally on the go. Like our campaign is going to be on the go.
So cool.
So I'm
Congrats.
thank
Amazing.
you. Thank you so much. Thank you. And your frother is also coming back.
Oh,
in
I love the
stock.
frother. I love the frother. We love everything Impulse. Everything Impulse. मैंने मेरा पिस्ताशियो नवा भी पिस्ताशियो मेरा रोज पीती हूँ मैं. So I'm drinking it here also.
Thank you. Yay! आग बंद कर. हाथ आगे करो. What is this? Open your eyes.
कर दिया मैंने ओपन ब्रो.
Chocolate raspberry. It's a new flavor. We have chocolate raspberry.
Is it sachet?
Yes.
सैशे यस.
अरे वाह.
ट्रैवल सॉर्टेड है अभी. ट्रैवल जाना सॉर्टेड है भाई.
All the flavors. Where is vanilla?
Vanilla है. Vanilla.
नहीं मेरा कच्चा आम भी डाला है तूने.
कितने क्यूट है ना.
Very.
सीरियसली चुम्मेश्वर एकदम खतरनाक. वेनिला ये मेरे को चाहिए.
Fastest finger first.
30 sachets का बॉक्स है आज के आपके बैग में भी मिलेगा आपको.
वेरी नाइस.
I'm really so grateful to have all of you all over here, and truly, huge thank you for Chips for all the music that she's been playing. My team, for Plum Body Loving team, for constantly being on their toes to make this come to life, and for all of you who made it tonight. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, and I hope so to see you all at every single year's Impulse anniversary. Huge cheers, and I'll see you soon. Bye. I'm ready. Open my eyes. Yes. Minis. Oh my God! We're calling it on the go, Impulse on the go. Brilliant, Sarah. Trust you to come out with all the brilliant stuff, man. Now I have something when I'm traveling as well. Brilliant. It came last night, and I really wanted you to have it. And the vanilla. Yes, and the kacham, and the pineapple, and the strawberry, and the everything. Very good. Excellent. Congratulations.
2 days later.
गाइस कल हमारे ब्रांड की एनिवर्सरी थी पास्ट टेंस वाले कल में और कल सबकी छुट्टी थी तो एवरीबॉडी वाज रेस्टिंग ब्रांड एनिवर्सरी के दिन. आज हम केक काटेंगे बिकॉज श्रिया हैज सेंट अस अ केक टू सेलिब्रेट आवर 4 years of Impulse. जब मैं व्लॉग करूं और सत्यम बर्तन नहीं धोए तो फिर तो क्या ही हो. क्या
कुछ नहीं.
क्या बोले तुम.
कुछ नहीं.
So he is only making fun of me.
कल हमारे ब्रांड की एनिवर्सरी थी. पास्ट टेंस वाला कल थी बोल दिया. उसके बाद पास्ट टेंस वाला कल. वाह.
तुम करो ना vlogging और multiple other things that I'm doing. Wow, so cute. I love Shriya's baking. Did you try the cupcakes? They were so good.
I ordered मेरे लिए अलग से.
Ordered क्यों फ्रिज भर के कपकेक पड़ा है?
इतना सारा पड़ा हुआ है.
What? There is like literally anniversary party से it's filled. Yeah, please सब लोग एक एक कपकेक भी लेके जाओ along with this cake.
चलो फज.
Hold.
फज look. फजू
Congratulations and celebrations. Na 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 na.
लो भाई सबसे पुरानी हमारी. लो.
क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में जाएंगे. दद्दू.
It's very good.
Too sweet.
Her baking skills are too good.
शेयरिंग खाओ.
You know what she calls me? She calls me a Karan Johar. Because I was the first influencer she collaborated with, and then she got to collaborate with her. She's like, you know what I told my mother? Sara is my Karan Johar. मैं ज़्यादा मीठा हो गया. मेरा 75 day hard शुरू होना था.
ज़्यादा ही हार्ड हो गया.
जी कम है मामा.
ये
One eternity later.
Alright, you guys, I'm gonna end this Chotu Sa event vlog right here for y'all. We had such a wholesome event at Dough and Joe. Impulse Coffee's ki chauthi salgira, 4th anniversary, all complete. Can't believe it's been 4 years to this brand, and we are only building from here. We've been through so much as a brand, honestly, as a brand, as a founder, as a team, as a community. We've all been through so much, and I really want to celebrate with my full community, which is why we had a long 4-hour event. And the first half of the event we invited all our customers, and in the second half of the event we invited all our creators, press, media. There were so many people and the turnout was beautiful. We hosted it at Dough and Joe. It's a pizza place here in Mumbai, and they have incredible pizzas. Like, if you are missing the Italian whole pizza, like, she actually gets flour from Italy. She gets her raw materials from Italy, and the pizzas are delicious, and the chocolate chip cookies are delicious. Like, you have to go to Dough and Joe, try out their pizzas, their chocolate chip cookies. It's in Bandra Hill Road, right above McDonald's wali building pe. You have to go and have their pizzas, have their chocolate chip cookies. My favorite one is the pesto pizza over there. It's so delicious, and the founder is the sweetest woman you will ever meet. And we had this beautiful decor done, so it was like in collaboration with Plum Body Loving, because Plum Body Loving ki har ek body care product ka hamare paas correspondent coffee hai. So I thought we'll do something different this time, you know, collaborate with a beauty brand. And the first beauty brand I had on my mind was Plum Body Loving, because they have every single variant of our coffee flavors as their body care products. It was such a perfect collaboration, and that's why we called it the Whiff and Sip the Crave Rave event. All the decor over there was done by Plan with Pals. I will leave all her details also in the description. If you're planning any party, you should definitely contact her. She does a great job with the decor. Like, she started her work at 7 a.m. and they brought the whole place to life, and just the whole decor of Dough and Joe is like this American diner aesthetic. So they converted the whole thing into like this rave party aesthetic. Also, rave party cannot be complete without a beautiful DJ and a rock star that she is. Trips Music was playing for us. She was so good at her job. People loved vibing, dancing, just enjoying with her. Like, if I ever host a rave party again, I've already told Trips that she's going to be a constant in all our rave parties. She's so good. So Trips Music was playing for us. Huge shout out to every single person who was involved in our anniversary event coming to life. And this anniversary event had also a very big reveal that I finally made. I wanted my creator friends and my customers who've shopped the most from Impulse Coffees to first see this. So whenever we have these anniversary parties, we always invite our customers and the creators who've supported us from day one. And those people were the first ones to see, and now y'all are the people who have to see finally that Impulse Coffees has launched its sachets. Oh my god, the biggest freaking reveal ever. The most requested product ever from Impulse Coffees has been launching our sachets. Impulse Coffees now comes in mini sachets. Coffee sachets is something people have always asked from us. It's because we have so many flavors, and all of you all always said that, Sarah, we want to try all your flavors. We don't want to commit to one jar and then decide which one we should get. So finally, your demand has been answered. And if you have any little bit of idea of business, you would know कि जितना छोटा product होता है ना, उतना ज़्यादा त्रास वो product देता है, उतना ज़्यादा महंगा होता है product manufacture करने. And through the entire journey and story of this product and everything that went behind it, I'm going to take you all very soon on my channel. But for now, we are starting pre-orders for our sachets because we have very limited quantities of this. This is a very expensive product to manufacture, but it's going to be available to y'all at a freaking steal price point, because this whole box has 30 sachets. This is what it looks like from the inside. You're getting 3 strawberry sachets. You're also getting 3 kacha aam. You're also getting pistachio. You're getting all our best sellers. You get mocha. You get caramel. All of them are available in this box to purchase. Chocolate raspberry as well. All my chocolate raspberry lovers, you're gonna get chocolate raspberry as well. All of the flavors, even pulp pineapple is here for y'all. So you can just imagine कि bringing all these flavors together, packing them in mini sachets and putting them all in a box like this has taken us so much effort, and it's a team effort for sure. This is what the box looks like. It's an assorted box of all our 10 flavors. Experience the hustle. You can see all the 10 flavors over here. Our limited edition, our permanent flavors, all of them are there for y'all. They're all keto, vegan, pure Arabica coffee, the best of the best. Everything is mentioned here, and how you can make it, instructions instructions it says hustle on the go, because this right here is your hustle on the go. So you buy this and then you can travel with the sachets however you want to. This box, if you pre-order right now, you can buy this at just rupees 479. For 30 sachets, you're only getting it at 479. If you buy a 50-gram jar, you get it for about 479 to 499, and that 50-gram jar makes you 25 cups of coffee. This is gonna make you 30 cups of coffee for 479, only early bird offer. So just making it very, very clear that we are taking pre-orders for the first time on our website. This is going to be available in our warehouse and shipping to you all, reaching your houses by first week of January. Okay, so you order right now at an early bird discount and you get these in your house by first week of January. We want to open pre-orders for this because this is the most requested product at Impulse Coffees ever, and we have enough stock, but we just wanted to get an assumption कि कितने लोगों का demand है, so that we can be ready with the next batch and next stock already. Super, super excited. This launches on the website for real. Final launch date is on the 27th of December 2025, inshallah. And right now pre-orders are already open when you're watching this video. These are honestly beautiful, beautiful products. Like every single one of this, like my Mocha Pe Choka to my Pyar Bhari Chocolate Raspberry to my Caramel Ka Kamal in Chotus. And I'm obsessed with how cute they look and obsessed with how delicious each and every one of them. So each and every sachet makes you 110 ml of cup of coffee. It's perfect for your travel, for your on the go. We're giving you 1.5 gram per sachet. Your 2 रुपए का कॉफी सैशे जो आप लोग हमेशा बोलते हो कि 2 रुपए वाली कॉफी सैशेज हमको आदत है पीने की, तो हम आपकी कॉफी क्यों पिए? उसमें आपको 0.9 ग्राम मिल रहा है. मैं आपको 1.5 ग्राम कॉफी दे रही हूँ, and this is pure Arabica freeze dried coffee. The same coffee you're getting in our jars, just packed in chotu packets and flavors you've literally never seen before, like kacha aam and pineapple. You've got them in sachets. You don't have them in the jars, but you've got them in sachets. So I've done a lot of R&D to be able to store enough flavor, coffee, buy everything in bulk so that we could do this for y'all. And you know, after everything that's happened this year, this was going to launch. The amount of capital I needed to launch this was all there and it all got burned. So before this huge thing happened to us, this launch, something major disastrous already happened to us and kind of shook us up, but we still wanted to keep it going and the ball rolling. And आप लोग ने बहुत support किया है हमको, तो इसलिए ये साल finally we're ending the year by launching the Hustle on the Go, the assorted box of Impulse Coffee sachets. Go ahead on the website, you can place your pre-orders right now. I hope you all will love this. And finally, the most requested product from Impulse Coffees is already out to shop. I know this vlog was a little छोटू सा, but there's a lot more I have to share with you all. And मुझे लगा कि पहले मैं आप लोगों को ये बता देती हूँ, उसके बाद I will take you through the behind the scenes, what went behind these sachets, everything. I always take you all through the full journey of launching any product, and all of that is coming for you all in the vlogs to come. Also, a very special travel that I took just before these sachets launched is also coming for you all. तो सारा कुछ आएगा सारा सरोज के चैनल पे, आप देखते रहिए. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you didn't, put a big thumbs up. For today's video, the Sarah's Ko shout goes to Simran, because she is also one of the people who most recently said that Sarah, please launch sachets so that we can try and buy the bigger jar. Now you can go ahead, place your pre-orders at www.impulsecoffees.com and you will get your hands on our Impulse Coffee sachets very soon. If you want to be a part of next year's Sarah's shout out, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, bell icon right next to it. Also comment down below saying hashtag Sarah Squad and you get a chance to be a part of my next video, Sarah Squad shout out. I will see you guys very soon in another video. Bye guys, love you.